katulad po nito. Sa battery po, may tatlong klase. Mayroon po kami yung earthenware. Ito po yung low-fired battery na kagaya ng gawain nila sa Vigan, sa Pampanga, some other parts of the country. Ito yung pwedeng lutuan, lagyanan ng tubig, at mga paso-paso. Low-fired battery, yung mga tapayan, mga burnayan, mga palayok, those are example of earthenware. Sa amin po kasi dito, it is called stoneware. High-fired battery po sila. Bagamat hindi siya pwedeng lutuan, ngunit microwavable po naman and food grade katulad ng porcelain. So, ang gawain namin dito, pinapakita namin ang paggawa with the demo fee over 200 pesos. So, pagkatapos po naman ng demo ko, if somebody wants to try, it's 100 pesos. Gusto niyo yun? Okay. So, i-ano ko lang ito kasi nakasalang na. I am cleaning. This is what we do after 5 days. Iti-trim siya para yung finish talaga 4 months. Yes. Oo, kasi ngayon, ito, after 5 days ito. Tapos, pagkatapos na triniman ko, i-air dry ulit namin siya ng 1 buwan bago namin siya lutuin. At 2 beses namin siya linuluto. Yan. So, ang unang-una kong gagawin, isesentro ko muna ang clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of my hands. Ito po ang centering na importanteng gagawin para maganda ang kakalabsan ng ating gagawin pot. Pag hindi po kasi siya na center, we cannot shape it the way we want it. So, first and foremost, kailangan natin siyang i-center. Pagka na-center naman po siya, ang unang-unang shape na gagawin natin ay cylinder. Cylinder po at cylinder ang nauuna bago natin siya i-shape to another shape. So, para gawin ang cylinder, lalagyan natin siya ng butas sa pinaka-center, and then from there, itataas po naman natin ang clay. Kung paano natin gagawin yun, ito, i-compress sa ilalim, and then we slide our fingers up, and up sa pinakamataas hanggang taas. Ulitin natin para tumaas pa siya. Compress at the bottom, and then we slide our fingers up, and up until the top. Taas pa ng konti. So, ito na po ang ating cylinder. Ngayon, out of this cylinder, we are going to shape it to another shape. So, sa shaping naman, ang pressure, manggagaling muna from my inside hand. Ang gagawin ko, itutulak ko siya palabas, habang tinutulak, tinataas ko siya dahan-dahan. Dito naman po sa gitna, itulak natin paloob, dahan-dahang taas, 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 at bago naman po sa pinakamataas, itulak palabas at magiging vase na po siya. Sa pottery ko, it's about feeling. Always feel how thick or how thin, so you would know when to stop. So dito, pwede pa po nating palubuin dito. Kasi medyo na ano siya doon. Tapos, dito, para mabalanse. Now, in here, pwede po natin siyang paliitin by pushing it somewhere in. So that's how far the clay can go. it is a vase. Pero pwede po natin siyang gawing water jug. Lalagyan lang po siya ng... So, from here, ipapa-air dry namin siya ng 5 days. 5 days later, magiging leather dried siya. Babalikan namin, ititrim namin siya sa pinakailalim. Alisin yung excess clay. And then, lalagyan ng tangkay, a handle. And then, i-dry ulit namin siya ng 1 buwan bago namin siya lutuin. At 2 beses namin siya linisin. Iyan ang pottery bowl. Okay. Sino pong gustong mag-try? Diyan po kayo mag-video kasi andi. Okay, sige. Maupo po tayo. Ako na pong kamuli. Damihan natin. Okay, tapos dito, 2 thumbs and go. We will push them both slowly, straight down, but not through and through. Now we are going to separate your thumbs apart slowly. Good job. It is. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng cylinder. I-relax nyo lang kamay nyo kung maglalagay ng pressure. Press natin ganyan. And then we slide our fingers up to the top to do a cylinder. Good job. Now we're going to fill it together. All you have to do is to slide your hands up without pressure. Slide mo ang kamay mo to fill the clay. Good job. One more time. From down up, go up to the top. That is your cylinder. Now, out of that cylinder, for beginners, it's going to be a bowl, okay? So, paano mo gagawin ang bowl? Ganito, ang pressure, manggagaling from your inside hand. Itulak natin palabas habang tinutulak, tinataas, dahan-dahan, like that, to the top. Ulitin, tulak, go straight up to the top, to the top, to the top, up to the top. Alright, ikaw naman. Sige. Tulak. Wala ito, wala. Sige, tulak. Go straight up. Up to the top, to the top. Sige, tulak dyan, up. Now, at the very tip, stay a second. And then, i-release. Sige, one more time. Sige. Tulak. Huwag kang magtulak dyan ng maigi. Dito. Oo, dito tulak dyan. Tulak to the top. Tulak. Up to the top. Alright. Release your hands. That now is your cylinder. I mean your bowl. Ang galing mo. Diba? You were able to do it. Now, we are going to smoothen it. So, ganito. Gusto niyong bilhin? I-ship namin siya after 4 months. $9.50 plus shipping fee. Ang ganda. Gawa mo yan. Okay. Here. Flat, flat, flat. There you go. Galing.